Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go, no jailbreaks. Let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account. Then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let me just show you guys. As you can see, I got tons of money in dice rolls. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rich just like me. So let's get right into the video. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So yeah, as you can see, look at that. Damn, bro. So let's go right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, I'm super rich with this method. Oh my gosh. So yeah, damn, bro. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do it. So anyways, what we're gonna do is go to the website ogrolls.cc. So this is the website right here. So I'm just gonna type it in. So let me just do that right here. All right. So anyways, now we gotta choose how much money we want to add. So let me just do that right here, as you can see. So we're going to enter in the username right here. So let me just go ahead and put that in. All right. And then we're just going to do platform and go ahead and press proceed. And now we go ahead and press generate, and we're just going to wait for it to load. So we'll just give it a second, as you can see. All right. So we're just going to let it load. And before we can actually get the money, we have to verify ourselves, which is really simple. It's just a verification step. So it'll take like 5 minutes for the resources to come, but be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys, because it is super cool. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Look at that, guys. They're going up like crazy. So be sure to try it out. It's super awesome, guys. So this actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. I'll see you later and peace out.